Hello, readers and writers. Welcome to lesson 37 of your ELA School Away from School. I am Mr. Driver, and I'll be your virtual teacher for today's daily lesson. Let's start with some guiding questions, probably some that are very familiar to you by now. What journey does food take before it gets to your plate? How do we make decisions about what we eat? We'll continue thinking about these, especially as they relate to this week's article. All right, time to get some materials out for today. You're going to need your copy of the text, What is Sustainability, your copy of lesson number 37, the lesson number 37 quiz, as well as a pencil. So go ahead and take a couple seconds to go ahead and find these materials. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and either push play again to make sure that we're moving on to the next section. We have one learning target for today. Let's make sure we keep this learning target in mind during all of our work today. I can read the text closely to answer questions. So once again, we're answering questions, just like a quiz format, but all of the answers are in front of you. You just have to reread sometimes to find out where that answer is and encircle or answer the best question you can. First, with a family member, caregiver, or friend, you're going to reread the article, What is Sustainability? As you read along, consider replaying and listening to the text read aloud from lesson 34. Pause the video here while you return to your reading. Now that you've had a chance to look at the text again, I want you to think about a few things. You found the central message of the article. You found the gist for each section of the article. You used evidence to support the central message of the article, and you identified and determined the meaning of unfamiliar words from each section. So this week we did a whole lot. So go ahead and pause the video and think about each of these accomplishments. Now it's time to have that discussion with your family member, caregiver, or friend. Remember, the central message is a big idea that the author wants you to understand and take away after reading a text. So, what is the central message of this article? Has it changed after rereading the text over the last 2 or 3 days? What was the most important information in the text that supports your central message? Think about any words or sentences. Why was that the most important information? What new word or words did you learn? How did you find out their meanings? And did you find out any of the synonyms or words that were similar to them? Go ahead and pause the video here while you discuss these questions. Please take out lesson 37 quiz. Using the article, What is Sustainability? You're going to reread if needed, but go ahead and answer the questions on the lesson 37 quiz. Go ahead and pause the video here while you complete this work. And as we wrap up today's lesson, let's think about how you did with that one learning target. I can read the text closely to answer questions. As a closing, share your answers, writing with someone, and tell them why you chose to write what you did. Also, remember to read a book today for 20 minutes. You can also read with a family member, caregiver, or friend. I also want you to practice your fluency by reading or rereading the article from today for 1 minute. You can use a timer or have someone count to 60. That timer can be on someone's cell phone, or it can be if you watch a clock or a microwave timer even. After 1 minute, count the words you read and write the number at the top of your text. Compare the number that you got today to Monday or to the day of lesson 34 and how many words you read in 60 seconds. Celebrate your hard work and success. Thanks again for all of your hard work today. Tomorrow we will conclude the work from this week by answering a writing prompt. And we're going to practice reporting on a topic using evidence to support our claims. Enjoy the rest of your day.